Do you want?
Alright, I'm gonna take the front wheel off. We ain't gonna work on the back stuff. I'm gonna work on the front since he's back there. So.
Kansas.com today. You learn how nanotechnology patches from LifeWave can help slow down the aging process, ease pain, help you sleep.
I don't know how well this is gonna work because I don't know.
Curb your appetite. Visit livinghealthykansas.com today to learn more.
Put it at.
Here's a riddle. What's hot, cold, and all around you? HVAC, or heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration, is used to warm your home in the winter, cool in the summer, and preserve your food all year. If you're looking for a stable career in a field that will always be in high demand, System HVAC Crews in Northwest Tech in Goodland, Kansas. For more info, visit nwktc.edu or call admissions at 800-316-4127. That's nwktc.edu.
At Finley Motors, they take great pride in bringing you quality pre-owned vehicles.
Trying to get everything set, guys, so you can see everything. It's kind of hard.
In many of those warranties are up to 100,000 miles.
Yeah, but I'm in the way.
Don't lose sleep worrying about your recent vehicle purchase. Sleep like a baby and deal with the guys that you trust at Finley Motors. Stop it today on Highway 27 in Goodland or see their inventory online at finleymotorsinc.com. Finley Motors, your volume and variety dealer in Northwest Kansas.
It's your bumper-to-bumper store. Shores has more outdoors of whatever you're looking for. Shores has stuff the others don't. Things the others won't. Westbound of nuts and bolts. Someplace to explore. With doors and floors. Parts and repair for lawnmowers. Like no store you've seen. You're sure to find it at yours.
Tired of your old cell phone? Get a new phone for less at Next Tech Wireless. Join the network
like that.
That'll work too. You know why?
Why?
Copyright laws.
That's the radio on.
Huh?
And copy the radio.
They get mad about it. Excuse me.
Take the collar key putting out the front tire.
Yeah, I got a different question. Was there a goddamn a roller wheel on this thing at one time right here?
Can't tell you.
Looks like it, because there's a bracket for one.
Because that's the way I put the damn thing.
I mean the pliers.
Pliers?
Isn't that on? It just keeps spinning. I can't hang on to it with my fingers anymore.
It's always in your guys' way. How's that?
That works. Now the next one's gonna get my hand. Should just say the pen power.
Gotta grease everything too.
Yes, we do. I got a dumb question though. Why the hell is the front bolts smaller than the back bolts on the fenders?
Does it look like I made this damn thing? It's a problem. You always ask questions and look like I made a fucker.
Well, that's why I just said it's a dumb question. That's why it was a pain in the butt to get off. It's got the nylon bolt. Or the nylon nut, I should say. Okay. Should be wired in there. Hang on to the nut. Get this thing ready for next playtime.
Why?
Alright, that's what we're doing. Are we still putting the 5-horse on?
So get everything off it.
You lost those ones?
I had to take the frame to the car wash. Get the one for my wife.
Need to straighten that one.
straighten the back window out. Loudmouth, Hill.
You know, this was black at one time.
Told you could hear her ass cry across town.
You. Everybody can hear your
No
voice.
swearing on the video.
What video?
Camera that's up there.
Oh God, I'm getting the fuck out of here.
What did I just say?
That's Kayla. She's single.
If anybody wants her, take her.
Yeah. We done with her.
She is entertaining though, I will say that. Oh, what?
Yeah, I've already have like 3 guys ready. I don't want none of them.
She thinks she has 3 guys.
Call them up.
She just can't. She's.
Can't decide which one she wants.
She ain't out of her dream yet. She's still sleeping.
Don't tell me that you don't want none of them, because I know at least one of them that you do want.
Okay, I have Shane, Cody, and Ryan.
And Jane,
Shut up!
Hi, honey.
you're bubbling and walking away, and we don't understand none of that. Here.
Let's put them over there by the sweetie. There. You're on camera.
Huh?
You're on camera.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, candy camera.
Hi, y'all.
Copyright.
Cuba 2000. Doot doot doot.
That other cam thingy.
What
That's a
is it?
copyright.
Come on.
Huh?
That's a copyright.
What?
If you say the other cam thingy,
I can't think.
the camera thing. Smile, you're on.
Oh.
That's a copyright.
Why would that be copyright?
Because it's already owned by a company that has a show by that name.
Why you got candy camera?
Yeah. Haven't you seen it on TV?
Yeah.
We get in trouble for that. You know the best way to do that? Stick screwdriver in there and spray it with WD-40 and twist it around.
You got the WD-40. Doot doot doot.
And stick your screwdriver down in there. Now twist that thing around. I'm working on a lot of bicycles. Sometimes the handle grips are a pain in the butt to get off.
Leave it to Wayne the Betty now.
I need, like I said, I'm working on a lot of bicycles. You have to learn certain ways to get shit to come off. If you don't want to come off, you got a 10 metric socket down over there with a ratchet.
What?
You got a 10 millimeter socket.
Right there.
Socket. Not red, not set range. Here with a socket. Hey, did you get a new ratchet?
Yep.
Cool.
Nope, that's done. That's all.
That was hard. Wasn't it?
Yep.
So hard it was easy.
Doot doot doot.
Oh, come on. Come on, Mr. Bacon. Move.
It's falling apart, people. Here is the steering wheel. Well, woohoo.
You sure you got a new ratchet?
Oh, that's one.
Ratchet's no good.
Oh, let me see it. Yeah.
Don't say that ratchet wasn't going nowhere. I just kept spinning around and around freely. Both directions.
Oh yeah.
You just don't you?
Nope.
Hey, you're the one that started it.
You're the one that
What?
started.
If we have a Twitter page,
What the hell's Twitter page?
we can make that a trend, dude.
What?
That do. You know, do trending worldwide. Haven't you heard of that? Haven't you heard of Twitter?
Yeah. I got a Twitter page.
You got a Twitter page?
Yeah, that's what I do.
You can get that do on there and make it trend, dude. It's your signature.
No. I don't do you. If you don't get a move on.
You started it. You started the do on the
I'm ready for the engine to come off.
Start taking it off.
Can't.
What?
You got the back tire still on it. Oh, dude.
Okay.
Tweeter, Peter. Punky meter.
See, we gotta worry about also the fan base.
What?
Fan base.
Fan, babe.
Fan base. Depends on what age group of our viewers. Okay, new car keys.
Just go ahead. Do what you gotta do. Ain't that hard to make one.
Don't make one out of water, man, too. Damn thing. Pain in the butt to get out. You gotta get that out before you take the back axle off. That's dang. Yours was easy. Can't eat a 5/8. Or 11/16. 11/16.
That's 15.
11/16.
Is it 19?
16. Did you happen to explain that this is your kid time?
What?
Did you happen to explain that this is your kid's swim time toy?
No.
Why not?
Should I? I explain every damn thing I do.
It makes it easier for you to understand what we're doing.
They can see what we're doing. We're stripping down on dirt, mini bike.
Everything falling off of it. And we gotta remember which side the spacers go on too.
Like,
When we go to put it back together, because one of these spacers goes here and one of these spacers go here. I'm betting it's the other way around.
here, stand. This is we gotta take off. Repair.
Go for it.
Because
Yeah, she ain't got enough oomph in her no more. Did you drain the gas tank before we flipped her over?
probably not. Why should I?
Would have helped.
Why would it help?
That way we don't get gas all over the place.
Does it look like you're getting gas all over now?
I'm just saying. Did you get all of them? How many bolts was in the damn thing?
4?
Well, you only got 2. You had to wait till you get to these 2. Alright. Chain's on it still.
There's the engine. It's off. It's a 79cc. It runs, but needs some work done to it.
Need a straight screwdriver, dude.
Big or small?
Small.
How small?
Little. That'll work.
Doot.
Yeah, that's gonna be trending, dude.
Fun time. I want my fun time. Take this shit to the car wash after we get the seat off. That thing off. Wash it. Now that thing's lightweight now.
I'll set this here. I'm gonna take these. I'll put this in that tray.
A tree.
Tray.
A trade.
Key. Huh? Key. I'll put it in there.
Okay, if you feel like
That way
it.
we don't move it.
If you think you must.
That's neat. Okay, metric.
Go paint it black
White.
and white fenders.
Kind of cool. Gray rims, or we go to paint the rims too?
I figure we just leave the rims.
Okay, now she's ready.
Seat! No shame.
That needs to be washed off too.
But the bearing.
It's all dirty.
Okay.
I'll put it on
Alright,
there, and if we have to, it's easy.
talk to you guys in a bit. Gonna go to car wash this off, and be right back. So, catch you later.
Well, we're off to the car wash.
Yep.
Go get the dang nice squeaky clean.
We hoping.
That's the only place I've never, or only area I've never actually taken the dang YouTubers to was the out by the car wash.
Wash that. I might have enough money in that phone. Wash my truck. Scrub it. Since my wife didn't know how to wash it right. But we still had to paint the top.
Uh-huh.
And we got to take the toolbox out and weld some hinges on it and paint that.
Oh, you mean some,
Halves?
log and hasps?
Yep.
And here's the co-pilot. Oh, Charlie.
Is this exciting, people? I doubt it.
Well, usually car rides really ain't all that exciting.
No.
That's when you start doing stuff other than car rides.
Now, guys, we're just starting off, okay? And we need more subscribers, so, and write to us, see what you guys want. I got guns, and I got motorcycle, I got a Harley Davidson, a Honda, I got a couple four-wheelers. If you guys want to see us do some stunts on that, or
Actually, tell you the
jumping,
truth,
we got lawnmowers, and
dude. Tell you the truth, the four-wheeling, I think they really do like that because that one channel, or that one video I got, it says some night driving with extreme four-wheeling. I got a lot of hits off that one.
I wish we'd grab it. Remember it yesterday.
Well, I asked you.
They see me on my Harley Davidson slide that thing sideways.
Did you turn around? Nope, he didn't turn around.
He ain't a cop anyway.
That's sheriff. He can still pull you over in town.
Yeah, I know I got a ticket at that one time.
You know, I haven't got a ticket at all yet since I've had my license back.
It is that one time the Jeep and I pricked their heads.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
With old Enlow. I don't like that son of a bitch.
Plus we got, if you guys want to see it, we got a, when it gets nice out, do a vehicle in this damn truck.
Yep.
That's gonna suck.
That and some lawnmower overhauling.
Yeah, snow blades are going well make for the winter. I got so much project, but I don't know what you guys want to see.
Well, do a little bit of everything.
Right now, I'm
Sometime.
gonna wash this parts off and.
Sometime we need to do a video on blowing the crap out of a computer screen, if we can get a hold of one.
Yeah. Go get some redneck stuff. I got a goddamn single shot gun that shoots 45 45s and 410s. I showed to you guys. We gonna blow some shit up with it. Stay, Charlie.
All right, we'll be back as soon as I'll turn the video back on as soon as I get out the truck. Well, excuse the wind, but it's kind of noisy in here, so here's what we're doing. Making her all nice and shiny. We're still in winter time. Winter, but it looks summer. Other than the yellow. Okay. You ready for a rinse?
Yeah. Let's go. Have it.
Ran out of money. Put 5 in there? Oh shit. it's washed. So that actually looks good when it's washed. Hey, Paul. Hold on, don't do that yet.
What?
Turn engine cleaner, get the rest of that grease off the top of that deal.
How's it coming out?
It will. Give it a little bit. That's how I get my tires and chrome all shiny. That right there. That takes the grime and everything off. You know how your white, like on a car with white walls, they turn all nasty and brown and blackish? You put that stuff on the white wall, they turn it back to white. Okay, ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, we're back from washing her down. Got all that nasty old grease oil stuff that was on there. Made her actually look pretty good. Actually red instead of dingy black and brown.
Oh, we always could go ahead and go down to Jenna, get a couple cans of clear coat and just.
No, we'll go back. We'll make a glossy black and then put clear coat on her later.
No, I ain't gonna waste that much money on it.
The hell, I don't think it look too bad. Damn.
Don't see no wells broke, do you?
I don't see none. I don't even see rust on her.
No, either.
I just see scratch points, but that's about it.
Hey, we're ready to go on the paint. Here's my paint man.
Alright. We'll get back at you here in a bit. Okay.
You done flip it down, I'll wipe the fenders and shit down. We're gonna rebuild it. Bigger. Better.
Make her look
faster.
Run faster. She's gonna look cool and run fast.
She'll be buying it. Do that.
Put the engine on from the go-kart on that one.
Yep, go to.
And put that one on the go-kart.
Now we gotta overhaul that one.
We're gonna overhaul that one and put that on the go-kart for later.
No, we gotta go back on this one unless I can find me another 5 engine.
I got one. But we gotta overhaul it.
The other one overhauled one.
Wouldn't you get it done before this weekend?
Yeah.
Unless that carburetor off that one will fit on that 5-horse that I got at the house.
I don't know. This is a 2.9 something. I was just thinking about putting that son of a bitch on a rototiller.
Put the 3-horse on the rototiller. Take that 5-horse I got and put it on that go-kart.
I tell you, it's money. Have money fix it.
Well, that's what I'm saying. After you get it fixed, put it on the go-kart. Take the clutch off of it. Because you'll need the pulley for the...
That clutch I think's about shot.
Okay, then get a new clutch, put it on the go-kart.
Nah, that much, about 15, 20 bucks, I think. I'll get that down at fucking whatchamacallit.
Why didn't you just take off the engine instead of take off the whole thing?
Because you gotta paint it.
You gonna paint it?
We're gonna make it look nice.
So you guys wreck it.
I wouldn't worry so much about the boys wrecking it as I would Zena, because she's the one that tipped it over and ran into the ground with it.
This one, I wailed this fucker on. Oh, well, I guess it broke. That's the way it's supposed to. Yeah.
They're supposed to move because if you hit the ground with it, it goes.
Well, this one I wailed because it came all the way back.
Does it stop here?
No, it's not like that.
You want it to go all the way that far.
Yeah,
You got a key in there.
Yeah.
This one's got a key.
Go take them off, paint them separate?
You can if you want. If you want them a different color than the whole frame,
Why not?
we can make them white.
Taking the kickstand off. Okay.
The frame can be white or black, and everything else, the off parts, could be white. I need the pliers for this pin out. What'd you do?
You have them.
Well, I thought they were over here.
It was over there.
What happened to them?
I don't know. What you did with them?
I don't know.
Now I got nails.
Now, I got them.
See?
One forward. Come on. I don't like color keys.
Well, they probably don't like you either.
Probably not. Okay.
Oh, damn it. What size is that?
Get your spring off that peg.
Yeah?
You put the deal there. Right down the peg.
I will. And I'll
Right
try
down
to
the
get,
peg.
and I'll try to get the kickstand off. It's a 14.
This one's been used.
Need a 15. Okay, need a 16. 15. 19. 18. 17. 13. Now gotta find what you're good looking for. Okay.
Cool thing about black. Black covers everything.
Yep.
Probably
Huh?
gonna take more than one coat though. Where's your strap?
Like that?
Strapper to the bench.
Like that for?
You keep banging on it, then they keep moving.
Well, they don't take this off. How the heck am I supposed to take it off? Can't wish it off. I wish you off, see?
One down with it too.
Alright, set it down.
It works. It takes a small pin like a real lady plate.
So we can put cut wheel on that.
That's handy. That was used to be grapple hydrants.
Okay, just set it down.
There's no reason I can't put it. It still works.
Yeah.
Right there.
But I got this other two salts now. Do that. Doesn't matter. I found some of my tools in there from the wreck.
Did you?
Found my $180 ratchet I've been looking for.
Did he have some of that shit?
$180 sample ratchet. tools in it.
I knew he said he was lying when he said he didn't have nothing from that wreck.
Oh, he brought tools back to Cheryl, but he didn't bring them all.
No.
And I'm sure he sold most of the others.
Yeah.
So you can go through, keep what you want, throw away what there is.
I know.
I didn't keep none of the wrenches. They're all mixed match shit.
That's what I use. Because people lose mine. I'll get mad because they lose them because they all mix match.
They all mix
I
match.
got 2 full sets of metric and standard, and then the ratchet wrench, there's a set of small ratchet wrenches in there I kept made. I think they're smaller than mine.
I don't know if we need this plate or not. I think that 5 was bigger.
It might be. I think the plate was on there just because it's a small motor.
Everything's white.
Fenders. And the kickstand and the seat base.
And the wheels.
You go paint the rims white too?
Want to?
Can if you want.
You look okay?
Yeah.
Match the fenders.
Yeah.
We're gonna put the 5 horsepower on it.
Make her a little bit faster.
Then we ain't gonna take out for a test bed. So the cop gets it on his ass.
I'm gonna race you with the 4-wheeler.
Cop gets kissing both of your ass then.
Huh?
Cop gets kissing both of your ass. Yeah, I think Jamie will get it away because he will leave your ass behind.
Fuck yeah.
When he comes behind me, I'll just take off down the road and it just follow me.
Yeah, I think he'd probably go after Jamie more than he would me because he knows I can go get away.
Hey, but the good thing about ATVs or motorcycles, you can go places they can.
Yeah.
You see that one on there? That one with the big tires, the dirt bike? It has the big ass tires like on this little one, but they're bigger.
Yeah, it's just like
Wide.
put it this way, it's just like a 4-wheel drive motorcycle. But it's 2-wheel drive.
Big. It's a 350 or something.
How much you want for that one?
Around 700.
There's a one. You should have fucking bought that one than that goddamn one you got right now. You had to put a head gasket on.
It's called a fat tire motorcycle, I think is what they call it.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready to go get it? Jamie's running low on money now.
Got all sorts of toys though.
Because on Rambo, everybody borrowed. It's just everybody owes me money now.
Hey, look at this way. At least he gets paid.
Tied up. That's all I look at. Until I'm either sell my motorcycle or trade it. See, if I would have sold to Kawasaki and not sold to my dad,
That was your deal. He did not have to sell it to
but
that.
me and Jesse made a deal with Dad that he can't sell it until it comes back to me.
I want to count on that.
Jessica says, you know when that bike goes back to us because my name's going to be on it. Or
Who is it? Right up there's a trigger gun.
What?
Trigger gun for the fan. Yep, that's it.
Yeah. Might work a lot better than hurting fingers.
Uh-huh. Don't look at it, pull the trigger. Better?
Yeah, it ain't hurt my fucking finger. But that's still a little bit of water spot.
I ain't never been talked about my trailer yet.
I have! Charlie has!
I think you guys are exaggerating.
Oh, what the hell happened to Charlie?
I think you're exaggerating.
His ass was laying underneath him next time.
He hauled ass over to the other side of the yard.
Looked at the fucker. Something hit him.
That jump started his ass right up.
I'll get a wait.
We'll be fine doing that. The only thing I can say is just if it's plugged in and it's running a ground now onto the ground.
What's it, Jamie? I'm standing looking at it.
You might get a little sticky. God damn it, I gotta run.
Huh?
And I gotta run in it. One thing I was trying to avoid.
Dries your cooking. The damn sand sheetrock thing.
This is day one of stripped down and we built mini bike. It'll be black and white, 5 horse. So let you know on day 2 when we get the engine and stuff put on. So the 2000 Gooba, do.